You won Idols. You did it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Wow.
it only clicked in then when she had said, and nami ngibona uThami esengihaka ngithi hawu Thami kwenzakalani.
Oh my goodness. And kwabonakala yazi the moment kuthiwa Noma waqala uThami kanje yabo kwangathi nje lost. Now I understand.
Yeah.
We're so happy
First
for
time
you.
in history when if ilokhu idol female.
Yeah.
How do you feel nje uzizwa kanjani?
Qopha umlando.
Qopha umlando ohlezi ukhona encwadini nje zase ama idols.
For me personally, I didn't expect it. I don't want to lie, I didn't expect it. So when it happened, it came as a shock, like I was explaining now. Sure, I
can imagine.
I can, yeah. There's no words to describe how I felt at that moment.
Yeah.
But afterwards, I was just like, wow, this is happening. And
yeah.
But again, Noma, but you knew ukuthi masuku top 5 usulokho usala. I'm sure bekhona into bekwenzakala nemqondweni bekungekho nje ukuthi ne mhlawumbe ngenzeka. Mhlawumbe ngeke bekwenzakalani usubona ukuthi hayi top 5 phela manje. Hayibo ngiyacula nje. Bekwenzakalani nje bekwenza
Mthetho wakhona ku top 5 uLucia and I, we had a conversation. Be like, girl, we're the only 2 girls left.
Yeah.
So we've got to do something. So I said to Lucia, look, if you don't win this, then I have to win it for the girls.
Wow.
And Lucia's like, hey, bruh, like let's work. And that was even before New York. That week it was before New York, and I said, you know what, Lucia, if Mangabe you don't make it, then I'm gonna fly the girls' flag.
Wow.
I'm gonna try.
Wow.
I'm gonna try. We have to do this.
Yeah.
And I remember saying to her, in this point of the competition, although I've gone through like up and downs in the competition, Ikizoami was like, no, I refuse to go home. Like, I've come here for a purpose. And I told myself, if it's not Lucia, then it's gotta be me.
Wow.
So from that point on, I refused to go home as an individual. And I said, I will fight now. Like, I'm fighting harder now to stay.
And another thing, when I know my thing, Sis Mapule, ngeke siqamba manga ubone competition. uThami ubone competition abantu bebemthanda as much as bebekuthanda wena, but uThami angithi usebuya for a second time. So naye ubuya uthi ngifuna ukwenza umlando ukuthi mase ngibuyile ngishaye yonke into ngilahle phansi. Yabo nje I can imagine ukuthi wawusebenza kanzima kanjani njengoba wawulapha yana.
Yeah. And Noma mhlawumbe khona le party le njengamanje ngicabanga ukuthi okuyona manje usuqedile so winile and you got all your prizes and abantu
sho ngama prizes uwathola usazoyiphendulela uthi watholile ngoba bengatholi phela ama prize phela unyaka hayibo uNkulunkulu wami
hayi ngeke go obvious
uzothola ama prizes Noma awusiwahla so wathola.
I have received not entirely all of them, but yeah, and then there's the struggle of learning how to drive right now. So I've got my best friend teaching me as well as my instructors in Maritzburg teaching me.
Okay.
But we're taking it one step at a time. You know, you don't want to rush to get on the road and
then these days
yeah.
And ngengezwa isikole, you know, usaqala kakhona isikole nezingane zik encourage nani. So now esikoleni kwenzakalani? Are you going back? What's happening?
What happened was when I was announced, Tommy and I had publicity again for I think 3 days, and after those 3 days being Jahisa Kakuli management team yami, there's no way izongena kwi-studio ngahambanga esikoleni. So she moved mountains for me to come to school. And the schedule I had. So she made sure, because I didn't want the kids to go home for holidays and I still haven't seen them, because it's not going to be the same coming in first day of school and surprising them. So I had that thing in the back of my head to go back and just share the experience with the children. Yeah. And so I got back in Maritzburg. I kept it under G, like very, very quiet. And I went and I visited the kids. We had a bit of a party, nyana thing. Okay. And I just shared a bit of the experience with them, and then they were singing, and so I helped them sing as well. It was so sweet, yeah.
Shame. Abantu abangakanani?
They're primary school kids, so it's from grades 4 to 7.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so, but the class that I was mainly hands-on was grade 5. So
okay.
10 to 11 years.
So,
no, I had to formally hand in my resignation letter.
Oh my word.
Because they themselves knew, Guti, look, you're pursuing career further on. So the headmistress and my HOD said, sit down and just resign, and then if you want to come back after you've got your degree, you've always got a place here at home.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Oh, you're still studying?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I was on my way to doing my BEd degree, and yeah.
Now go again.
Now this happened.
Okay. All right. Mhlawumbe sizozwa ke nawe mkhozi ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzofisa ukuthi ubingelele uNoma, uzofisa ukuzwa ivoice, uzofisa nje kumcongratulate ke usukhuluma naye ngqo usho ukuthi washaya amafoto amangaka mina ngisazombonisa wami ukuthi mangaki ngangwenza ngosuku. So nawe